Wow. Freezer packed and everything. That's where the juices are.
We are going to buy vegetables again. Like a bunch. I made like a bang. I don't put there, but go. Tamarind tree. Star fruit tree. We call it carambola. Jackfruit tree. We call it jaca. Coco. Cacao. Coco. Chocolate.
Okay.
Gondo is like a wild blackberries, grow wild up to the Mozambique River. Lychee tree. Anona is like a sweet sap.
So you knew you were going to do this before you did you add on to build this?
When I started doing that, we add flour and salt. And we wrap with an oak leaf. Brazil to boil it and turn this color. Yeah. When it's boiling, the very red, we take the tamales and turn red color like that. like this.
Keen, how do you do it at home?
Right. Call Uber Eats.
That's not going to be any fun.
The chicken, pollo, pork, without the bones. We boil it with the bones, the chicken and the pork for more flavor in the broth. Boil it. We boiled them for make more flexible.
Yeah.
The banana leaf.
There's another.
Okay. We're going to try don't falling apart, okay? Because we have to stiff it and then close it and then fry it with eggs and then boil in a red salsa. It's a traditional chile relleno. This kind of chile relleno is very traditional for Easter.
Oh, coming up. Just in time.
I worked in a farmer market. In the field farmer market in Puerto Vallarta was Rio Cole market in the downtown. And when for Easter we sometimes we make 120 chile rellenos a day.
Yeah.
Because many people they like to go to buy chile rellenos for to go because they get the process is long and they prefer to buy ready food.
They're gonna fry it in the pan. Wow.
I haven't seen that so much. I have never seen it. Mostly shrimp.
Sunflower oil.
I see. Yeah, shrimp. That's for coming right here. I'm just on the menus.
We splash oil in the top, and when you flip it, it doesn't stick on the side. When you flip it, you have to flip it in one side,
Chile Rellenos.
not in the center. Because the price of the tortilla in Mexico is regulated from the government because tortilla is an elementary food for Mexican people. And the corn is subsidized for the government to the owner of the tortilla factory. In every neighborhood, we have 1 or 2 tortilla factories. They make in the high season 800 kilos of tortillas, in the low season 500 kilos.
So when we went this morning, was that one of the tortilla factories for that neighborhood?
Yes. And many hotel, restaurant call to them and then deliver it. In every grocery store, every Oxxo, every Costco, you can find cartridges. You have to take a little bowl of masa, roll it, make round, put in the center, close it, press, open. This is a normal plastic bag, only you can choose the more thin is better. Like you feel it, open, hand with this. And here.
She's experienced.
I am lazy, I can do this. If you like, right? This. And then you have to put in the center of the comal, no on this side because it's cold. The tongue here is very important, okay? Look, like this, turn, keep to the last moment, tongue protect the tortilla doesn't stick like a taco. Time. And 26 seconds, and then you can put the tortilla in the tortillero. Or sometimes a little cut from the meat for the beef. A little fat and same. Very good, very delicious. One more and then you catch maybe one tortilla, okay? I learned with two hands because when I was a child, first they don't want me to use my legs. But then one teacher told to my mom, she had to use the hand and they let me, and now I learn for the two.
Candy, tuna.
Gracias.
¿Cómo dice?
Kaki fruit.
Kaki.
When I was in elementary school, but when we danced, we had to practice at least 3 months before. We had to get condition in the arm and the leg because we use a special shoes called touch shoes. You have to make noise.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And if you don't get condition, we dance for the Mother's Day in May, it's very hot, or September for Independence Days.
Oh,
You don't get condition, 20 minutes later, it's gone.
that's true.
It's hot,
Right.
it's heavy.
Yeah. Oh, that's hard.
Somebody want to take
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Oh, you look lovely on it.
Flour. It has a lot of flour because when we dance, we made like a little weight.
Wow.